our lead Honorable Chris Holden to say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Eloise Reyes. I'm the Majority Leader of the California State Assembly. It's been such an honor to meet with Prime Minister Khan to talk about what his plans are and to learn more about democracy in Pakistan. In California, the United States, democracy is the law of the land. And to have the rule of law and to have courage and compassion is really what we all will look for. And it was such an honor to be able to meet with a leader here from Pakistan. And I thank Dr. Mahmood for having organized this for the California delegation. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Holden.
Assalamu alaikum. It has been a pleasure to be here to represent California and our efforts to build friendship relationship with Punjab. We are very much committed to having relationship, to share ideas, to share understanding, and to represent in fair and free way the people that we are sworn to lead. We've had an extraordinary opportunity to be here during this time, to meet with Prime Minister Khan. It was quite an honor, and it gave us an opportunity to fully understand his commitment to the people. And in our country and in our state, we are about free and fair elections.